just stay locked in and stay focused, people are always gonna say something. Always, they're gonna try to have some type of narrative or whatnot, but as long as you know what's real, I think that's what can help you keep your sanity.
Good afternoon, family. It's another episode of Talking with TWE. Check this out. Okay, I gave you the story of my last episode of me getting to California, Sacramento, and how I started. But this is how I started. So after I started getting some calls, I got this call from this Iraqi guy, Indian guy, and keep in mind, man, once you start getting these cars out, you never know what you're gonna get, you know. And so I got a call. I went to check it out. He had a gas station. I went to the gas station to see what he had. And when I got there, he had wanted me to put up a gate. So automatically, I'm thinking, oh yeah, I'm finna win with this. And so I told him he wanted an estimate. And by the way, I charged him $50 for travel fee to give him an estimate. So I got the $50 and told him what, gave him the estimate of the material. So automatically, me not knowing, he don't want to use that. He got some stuff that's in the back of his gas station that he wanted me to make a gate out of it. Now he wanted a big gate to cover where it's a tie shop with cover lawnmower. I think he repairing lawnmowers, ride mowers, and he a tie shop. So he got tires and all kinds of stuff back there. So I'm looking. Instantly, I got frustrated, but I had to remind myself, man, you trying to start a welding business, guys. I'm trying to build a gate from scratch, from new, you know. But keep in mind, let me say this again. Let me slow down. I'm trying to build a gate from new. But how could you build a gate from new when you just started? I'm just started, so I'm trying to pick and choose what or how I want to approach a business. So now I couldn't do it. So reality hit me. Okay, let me try to grab the business. So I told him, yeah. So he showed me some stuff. I'm looking at the stuff. I'm like, man. So I took the job. I gave him a price. He argued me with the price. If I would have told him $5, he argued. We not arguing. We negotiated. So we came to a medium. He already had the material. So I told myself, okay, I get a little money. I build a square and put all the stuff that he has in. Just get probably $150 from I think I used 2x2, 1.5 inch tubing, and didn't use no locks. He didn't want no locks. I think I put a cross lock to make it latch. I made a latch, so I got it. And here's the gate I'm showing you now that I done. And here go some pictures of what he had. So I took what he had, loaded it on the truck, brought it home, and here I go again. I'm showing you my process. Then made a mistake. I brought it home, I built it, and took it back. Used all my grinding wheels. I painted it. Keep in mind, back and forth, that's gas. So I went back and forth 4 times. He only paid me $50. He gave me a down payment on the material cost of the thing, and he was gonna give me the rest when I finished. I got an invoice on an invoice app, so I wrote him an invoice. And I'm saying that to let you know that I'm still not looking at it as a business. When you're looking at it as a business, you got to calculate everything. It's a lot of missing. Sometimes I was doing jobs. There's a lot of missing things that you're not prepared for that don't come up. If you building a gate and you measure it, and next thing you know, it's not shutting, you got to cut it back down. Just a lot of this hidden stuff that you may come across. You got to add that in there. You got to add all the grinding wheels that you use. They go in there, buffing wheels, paint that you buy, primer that you buy, gas, and not to mention your time. How long it's going to take you to build this project. I'm not doing that. I'm still coming from Louisiana, trying to hustle, trying to tell myself I need to get all the customers I could. And, you know, so, but I'm winning doing this now. I'm making money, but I'm not making what I'm supposed to make. And I'm in California, so I'm spending. I'm not really saving like I should. I should have just, and to me, and I know the process, I should have just chilled for 4 months. All the profit that I make, put it all for one stack. Whatever I need for hygienes or whatever to keep me living, I should have took that because I had a job. I should have took all the 4 months worth of profit and done something big, but I didn't do that. Keep it, and it bit me in the long run, where I was flatlined, going taking trips back home, and it flatlined me. But keep in mind, I got my own equipment, so I shook back. But anyway, back to the story. I took it, and as you can see, I took this gate right here, went back. Then I had to hang the gate. Didn't even thinking about charging them for this. By myself. Keep in mind, I'm by myself. I'm dealing and hanging, putting blocks up under there just to try to make this thing work. You know what I'm saying? I'm hustling, trying to make it work. Oh, I'm gonna make it work. So I did all that and hung it. As you can see right now, I done my best. Hung it. He loved it. You know what I'm saying? He would try to recommend me with other people. I call other people. Everybody trying to go cheap. So, but I didn't take a lot of them jobs. But I just wanted to share with y'all this. And this second job right here got me started. I started moving. Then when I went home that later on that night, I had been there about 8 hours. I had to really sit down and take inventory of what's going on with this business. Then I started. I filed for me at LLC, and I share that story on the next episode. Thank you for tuning in. I'm getting better. Like and subscribe and comment. Give me some comment what you think, and if you got any questions, I got you. And keep in mind, I'm still learning as I go. You know, Thomas Welding. I'm out.